Hi, this is Naveen Kumar. Do you want to achieve more in less time? It's impossible. That's a basic notion we have. It's impossible to achieve more in less time. If you want to achieve more, we have to invest more. That's a basic concept we have. Break that before watching this video. Everything can be done in a better way. We can find a better way to do things in a better manner and thus achieve more in less time. Our brain is a system which helps us to do things. If we invest more in this, we can do more things in less time. Before discussing the 5 insights which will help you to do more in less time, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Naveen Inspires. If you like to watch videos which will help you to improve the quality of your life, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video and click bell icon to receive notifications. If you like this video, put a like, comment your comments and share with those who might get benefit out of this video. How to achieve more in less time? Step number 1. Apply 80-20 rule. Make a list of 100 things you are doing. After making that list, find the 20 things which will give you more result. 80-20 rule states that 20% of the work gives you 80% of the results. Instead of focusing on the unproductive 80%, we have to shift our focus to the 20% which is more productive. If we are focusing there, we will get more results. So in small time, we can achieve more. So apply 80-20 rule in your works. List all the 100 works you are doing and focus on the best 20, the productive 20 in that 100 numbered list. For example, if you have scheduled 1 hour in the morning for checking the emails and on a particular day some very important task comes, cancel that email checking activity and shift to the most important activity. Apply 80-20 in every aspects of your life. Definitely you will reap more results in small time. Number 2, understand Parkinson's law. What is Parkinson's law? It states that the work will fill the time available for its completion. If you give 1 day for a work to get completed, that work will fill the entire day. So it's important to set deadlines for your work. For example, if a work needs only 90 minutes, put timer on your mobile and complete in 90 minutes. What happens in your brain? Your brain will remind you about that 90 minutes deadline. So you will be in a hurry to complete the task and you will complete the task in 90 minutes. If you are not giving that deadline, you will take many more hours to complete that particular small task. So apply Parkinson's law when you are doing something. 3. Energy management. The time is not only the major factor but the energy. If you have full energy, you can do things in a fast manner. So understand what is your energy level. Make it to a higher level and do the task. When you do tasks like that, you can have full focus and complete the task in less time. If you have more time and low energy, you will not be able to complete the task easily. But if you have higher level of energy and small time, you can complete the task. So it's very important to manage your energy. For that, you can apply work in bursts. What is work in bursts? You can allocate a time for work and you can allocate a time for rest. When you allocate time for work and rest, you will have full focus while works. So it's very helpful tool for effectively using time. Number 2, kill tasks. There are so many tasks we didn't complete yet. Write it down and complete it urgently. When you complete that in one sitting, that task is over. Kill such tasks. So work in bursts and killing the projects are 2 efficient methods whereby you can manage your energy. Understand the activities which can improve your energy and schedule some time for improving your energy. 4. Sharpen the tools. What is the basic tool which we have? It's our skills. We have to sharpen it. Find some time to improve your capacity. Find some time to improve your competency. Learn something to sharpen your skill. When you increase or improve your skill, automatically you can do things in less time. What happens is we will not invest time to sharpen our tools. Instead, we focus on works. If we sharpen our tools, we can cut works in an easy manner. So we have to schedule some time to improve our skills. 5. Understand marginal rule of quality. Are you investing time on repair or polish? If you're writing a book, are you concentrating on how the words can be written in more legible manner? How that can be aligned while I am writing? Don't focus on that. Instead, focus on completing the task, completing the book. After completion, you can polish it. But if you are polishing on each step, what happens? You will not complete the task in a limited time. So always focus on the result. Apply marginal rule of quality. If the inputs are more and output is less, stop that and move. Instead of focusing more on polishing, focus on the result or focus on the completion. These are the 5 steps which will help you to achieve more in less time. I will just recap the 5 steps. Number 1, apply 80-20 rule. It's also known as Pareto's rule. Number 2, understand Parkinson's law and set deadlines and do the task. Number 3, manage your energy. Schedule some time to improve your energy. Number 4, sharpen your tools. Invest some time for upskilling ourselves. And number 5, understand the marginal rule of quality. Are you focusing more on repair, polish, or result? Understand that and act. These are the 5 steps which will tremendously improve the quality of your life, tremendously help you to achieve more in less time. Follow this and achieve the great goals of your life. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel, click bell icon, put a like, comment your comments and share with those who might get benefit out of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the very best. NK signing off.